In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse settings to default in Windows 11 and 10. So if your mouse isn't behaving correctly or your settings got changed, restoring everything back to default can help fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps. So first, what you need to do is to click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now once you're inside Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices. Next, scroll down and select on Mouse. Now, once you're inside Mouse, scroll down and select Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings. So this will open the Mouse Properties window. Now inside this window, check each tab like buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel, and hardware. Now look for a button labeled Use Default or Default, especially in the Pointers tab. So go to Pointers tab, and in here you will see Use Default. So in my case, I've already done that. But what you need to do is to click on Use Default, tap on Apply, and click on OK. So this will restore your mouse pointers to their original settings. You can also review the other tabs and manually set anything back to default if needed. And now your mouse settings should now be restored. If the issues continue, you can try reinstalling the mouse driver. So to do that, right-click on the Start button, go to Device Manager. Now once you're in here, expand the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Double-click to expand it. Right-click on your mouse and select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall to confirm, and after that, restart your computer, and then Windows will automatically reinstall the driver when your system boots up. So this step can help fix deeper or driver-related issues. And that's it. That's how you restore mouse settings to default in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thanks for watching.